everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So this is a very exciting video. I haven't filmed a haul video in so long. I think the last time I filmed one, like a homeware haul, was way before I moved. I could be wrong, but I think that is when it was, because obviously I was saving for my house and I was trying to concentrate on actually buying the house. So I didn't know what I needed, wanted and all of that. I was more looking for like big furniture items first and then accessories and things like that. So I finally think I've got to a stage where I'm now starting to buy the little accessories and things like that. So with everything that's going on at the moment, I've been going onto the Range website quite a bit. However, they literally have been out of stock with quite a lot of things, like the mirrors that I wanted, the lamps that I wanted and things like that. So I basically went on there one night and I just found a load of things, load of accessories and things like that. So if you do like videos like this, then just continue watching. Okay, so the first thing that I looked at, I actually searched up some cushions because, oh my goodness, so I haven't told you this, but I've actually ordered my sofas. I ordered them the other day and I am so excited for them to come, like literally so excited. They're like the perfect sofas. So they were going to take a little bit of a while, and especially at the moment there's a delay. So I'm not expecting them to be arriving anytime soon, but I'm glad that I've ordered them now. So these were the idea that I was having for my sofa, these cushions, or I could put them in the bed because I've got all white here, which I'm quite happy with, but I thought I might want to change it up every now and again. So this was another reason why I bought these, because I thought they were really, really pretty and they've got like a little bit of glam going on with them. So it's these cushions here, and I'm sorry, the lighting's a bit shocking, so I'll show you up close. It's like this metallic-y print here like that, and they're like silver, but they've got like a cream back, but that's fine because I don't show that bit there, so I can try and show you as best as possible. But yeah, these cushions are absolutely beautiful. They come with the insert and the cushion cover, and these were $7.99 each, which I thought was really, really good because they're a good size. They're the same size as my cushions here. So that was another thing as well, because I thought if I'm gonna, because I would probably take the insert out and put in a feather cushion, which is probably like the 50 centimetres. Anyway, I'm giving you measurements now. I don't know why I'm doing that. I literally feel like since I've moved it, all I've done is look at measurements. I'm measuring everything within an inch of its life. I used to just pick things up, chuck them somewhere and go, that'll do, sorry. But at the moment, I just feel like I want everything measured to a T. That could be an issue, but yeah, I'm literally loving these cushions. They're absolutely stunning. And honestly, the lighting's shocking, but they are so beautiful. So I got 2 of these cushions. So the next thing that I got, I was looking up for coasters, and these caught my eye, although I'm sure, I could be so wrong here, but I'm sure that these were a different colour on the website. So when they actually arrived, I was a bit like, that's not what I was looking for really, but then they're cute still. And it's these here, and they're little like pom-pom coasters. And I just thought that these were really, really good just to quickly have some coasters because I had none. And I thought they were quite cute. But like I said, these outer bits, they look a bit purple. So I'm sure that when I picked these, that they showed them as white. But never mind, I could be wrong. You probably go on the website and see that they look exactly like this. I mean, I did order these at night time, so that is probably why. But I just thought they were really cute to have on the side, just so I could put my cups on so I don't get any marks on my side. And for a pack of 4, they were £2.99. So a little bargain there. I quite like them for how much they were. Okay, so the next thing that I was looking for is some more faux flowers. If you don't already know, I love a faux flower. I love pretty flowers everywhere in my house. That is what you're going to find. In my kitchen, I think I've got 3 things with flowers in. I do get comments about that a lot, about how many flowers I have, but I love them. I just think flowers are really, really nice. They're just something that makes a home feel even more homely, but with a bit of glam. I don't know, I just love a flower. So I got these little bunches here. So these little flowers here are absolutely stunning. I love the pearl effect, the glitter, although the glitter does get everywhere. But for a little bunch like this, they were like $2.99, and I just thought I could make a little arrangement. This here I got from Poundland about a year ago, so I don't know if they still sell these. But for example, if you just put them in there like so, we have, obviously in range of a bit, you have a little nice display. And obviously that being £1, well, that's nothing to do with this haul, but for example, you can get cheap little pot or vase, just plonk them in there like that, and it's really pretty. Obviously you can arrange them a lot better than that. But yeah, they're just easy instead of getting like single flowers. You know, if you're thinking, oh, I've got to get single flowers, and they add up single flowers when you're trying to make a bouquet. So I prefer to get little bunches. Just think they're already done for you, and yeah, they're just really pretty. And I'm really sorry about the lighting. I just feel like the lighting is really off. But yeah, look how pretty those are. Talking about flowers, I also like to put flowers in all different size things. So in all different type of things, basically. I'm going to explain it a bit more. So you know, you obviously get a vase, but I like to try and put them in different things to make different things use for flowers. If that makes any sense, it probably doesn't. But yeah, basically what I'm trying to say is I got this. Look how beautiful this is. It's actually like a hurricane sort of candle holder, if you like. That's what the style of it. That's what it's meant to be. So it's meant to have like a candle in it. You can put a candle in there, no problem. But I originally, look how beautiful that is, and it's so big. Like, let me show you how big that is. Like, it's really big. I only picked up one of these. I believe it was because they only have one left actually. But normally I would pick like 2 of these sort of things up. But I wanted to test it as well because I originally wanted to put flowers in here. So make this like a vase and see if it works. That's why I actually bought these flowers. But when they came, they're really difficult to go in there. You could cover that and then put them in there, but they're just really difficult to put these sort of flowers in there. So basically, I haven't decided yet. I might put lights in there, I might put a candle in there, or I might put flowers in there. But if I'm going to put flowers in there, I have to get the right type of flowers that can fit in there nicely. So yeah, I'm on the hunt for some flowers that look nice in there. But if not, like I said, I would put that it looks just as stunning to have a candle or something like that in it. But it's really pretty. So the next thing I picked up, I've been wanting one of these for the longest time, ever since like probably about a year ago. But basically I always thought that when I move into a house that I'm buying, then I'll buy things like this. I don't know why, but I just did. I just thought like that. So I bought a lantern. So this is it's actually got a mark on it because Harrison decided to put it in his room. But yeah, you would, if you've been looking at my home Instagram, which I'll leave here by the way, I am uploading pictures of my home onto my home Instagram now. Then you would have seen this already in my recent post, which is of my bathroom, and this is where this goes in the bathroom. This one here was $12.99, I believe, if I can remember rightly. And I wanted the larger one, but when I ordered the larger one was out of stock, but I think it's back in stock now. So I think I might order that so that I can have 2. But this looks really nice in my bathroom, sort of on my side. If you go over to my home Instagram, you'll see what I've done with it. But this is the smaller one, and it does also have the light. It also has like that. So these will also be really good for the garden, because I was also thinking of that. I thought that'd be really nice if I brought these out to the garden, and it should look really pretty. Because obviously it's not a real candle, because I just feel like the real candles just get everything a mess, and I prefer it to just stay like that. But yeah, these would be nice in the garden or anywhere in your house. And yeah, the larger one is $19.99 and this one's $12.99. So I think I'm going to go and get the larger one, so I've got a set, and then see if I want any more or if I want to get different ones. But I absolutely love this. It's beautiful. Okay, so this next thing that I picked up, right, I saw this on Hazelwood's haul. So when she did the range haul, I see this and I couldn't believe when she told me the price of this. And when I went onto the website, I couldn't get one first. Straight away, I couldn't get one. So then when I'd done this order, I checked and it was in stock. So it's like it goes out of stock, comes back in stock and all of that. So hopefully, fingers crossed, by the time this video goes out and you're interested in it, it's in stock. But I got this beautiful throw. Like, how stunning is that? And I got this actually for my garden. And I think I'm still going to use it for my garden, but at the moment we've got a lot of rain. So let me just show you. It is really big. And it's grey and it's got that like geo print, which I absolutely love. But it's really thick. So if I can try and show you, if you could feel how heavy and thick this is, you'll be shocked when I tell you that this little bad boy This here was £4.99 and not in the sale. Like, that was the price. When she said it on her video, Hazel, I was like, you're kidding me. Like, I've got to have a look at this. And when I finally got my hands on one and ordered it, I agree with her. This is so affordable. Like, honestly, the quality is amazing. I mean, I've seen these for like £10–15, and I think the quality is not as good, to be fair. But this is really, really nice. I highly recommend it. Really nice for the garden. But at the moment, I've got it in my front room over a chair, which again, you could use. You could use it on a bed. It looks nice on my bed as well. And yeah, I might move it around until it gets sunny again, and then I can use it in my garden. But for £4.99, that is an absolute bargain. So highly recommend that. The next thing that I picked up was this sign. Now, this sign was £4.99, absolute bargain. And it says, "This home has endless love and laundry." I thought this was absolutely perfect for my utility room. I wanted like a little sign like this. The colour is literally like my utility and kitchen, so I thought it was perfect. And £4.99, absolute bargain. And it is so true. Like, I love a print that actually stains my house. How much laundry is there, literally? When you have kids and everything else, I've said this in my cleaning videos before, I have so much laundry at the minute, it's ridiculous. So how fitting is this to go in my utility room? So yeah, I picked that up, which was, like I said, £4.99, absolute bargain. So next up, I went onto the website on this particular night for these things, because I was trying to order them to be delivered, but every shop, like Hobbycraft, like it was all like it had one thing but didn't have the other. But the range seemed to have it all on there, and I didn't realise that the range even done this stuff. Like, I knew they did a little bit, but I wasn't, not like you would know Hobbycraft to do crafts and like all artsy stuff, but I didn't realise how much the range has. So if you're thinking of doing any sort of artsy stuff, head over to the range, because they have a lot on there. But I have a project in mind, and I just picked up some black acrylic paint. So I don't know if that's gonna focus camera. So I picked up this black acrylic paint. Then I picked up the grey acrylic paint. Let me, just in case anybody wants to see. Then I picked up white acrylic paint. Ouch, just dropped something on my foot. And then so I'm going to show it like this, because then I picked up some silver acrylic paint. So these would last an absolute long time. Basically, the reason I picked up loads of paint and stuff is because I have planned to do like a bit of DIY art piece, just because every time I've looked for a certain art piece for my home, for certain places in my home, the certain ones that I want are either way too expensive, like over £100, I'm not paying that, and also they're not exactly what I want. So, like the colour scheme and everything else. So I just thought, why not make it myself? I also picked up 2 plain canvases. This is upside down. Brilliant. So I picked up 2 just plain canvases. And what I plan to do is do an art piece on that. So you will see that in a future video. But I have big plans for that, because I want to make it really glam and personal, and it would just be so nice to have something up in my house that is done by me. Like, you know what I'm like. If you've been here for a long time, you know I like a good DIY. I like to be able to do it myself and prove to everyone that you can do things yourself as well without having to always buy it in the shop. That's another thing. There's a few things that I've actually done something else. I've got a separate project thing going on. Because I spent the whole day looking for certain things for Harrison's bedroom to make it the way I want it. Couldn't find it, or it was in America for like £300. And I was like, nope, I don't want that. I want to do it. And it weren't exactly what I want either. So basically what I'm trying to say is I've got a few things that I'm making myself. So you will find out about that soon. And these will be in a vlog of me doing a little DIY paint on them and see how they turn out. Fingers crossed, I'm good at it. I mean, I was good at art at school. I've got a GCSE in art, so hoping that that stays with me and I managed to pull off a proper art painting. Let's find out. But yeah, stay tuned for that. But if you did enjoy this video at any point, please give it a big thumbs up. And if you haven't already, make sure you hit that subscribe button and that bell button so you're notified when I next upload a video. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this haul, and I've got a lot coming up on my channel, the DIY vlog, and I'll be doing lots more cleaning videos and loads of things like that, and probably some more hauls, because I need essentials and I'm considering going to Home Bargains. Haven't been there for a very long time. So stay tuned for that. But yeah, I'm going to see you in my next video. Bye.